Hello to all of the Microsoft partners throughout Western Europe, and welcome to Microsoft Inspire. I know this is quite a bit different than years past, but I'm still happy to be with you, virtually at least. And I'm really excited to welcome those of you who have never experienced Microsoft Inspire before. I want to start with a big thank you. Thank you for your resiliency and your incredible work in FY20. It was a remarkable year, with exciting growth during the first half and tremendous challenges in the second half. And through it all, you rose to the challenge, delivering for customers and helping them respond to the new world that we're living in. So thank you. Thank you for a great partnership. Now, normally, I'd share some specific success metrics with you of Western Europe performance over the last year. But since we haven't actually released Q4 earnings, I can't. So I will say I'm really pleased with the momentum you've built going into the year ahead, especially in the current landscape. When customers had to unexpectedly work from home this year, you stepped up with solutions, and continuing that customer focus will be critical in the months ahead. For us, that means doing all we can to support you, especially when it comes to skilling and virtual learning for your teams. When the pandemic took hold, your local Microsoft team made a big pivot, transitioning to all digital learning events between online and in-person events. More than 64,000 partner employees were trained in FY20 across Azure, Modern Work, and Dynamics, with 17,000 Microsoft certifications. Wow. We are serious about making sure your teams have the skills they need to serve your customers, and it sounds like you're serious about it too. So that will continue to be a big priority for us going forward. Another big priority in the coming year is the work we can do by selling together, helping you reach more customers. And the numbers show when we work together, we accomplish more. I know in Western Europe, we had some strong momentum in our co-sell motion with more than 4,400 IP co-sell wins together. And we're really seeing some great growth in many areas. In fact, I wanted to share with you some of the global numbers. Over the past 3 years, our global co-sell motion has driven $15.6 billion in partner annual contract value. And we closed 3.5 times faster when we co-sell together. We've had over 4 million monthly active users visiting our commercial marketplace, which is significantly up this year. So if you're in the marketplace, we're exposing your solution to millions of customers every single month. In the coming year, we're going to keep prioritizing selling together and incenting our sellers with even deeper integration into the sales process. We'll continue to simplify the co-sell experience by providing you an easier way to give and get shared opportunities. Looking ahead for the next year, I said it before, these are the 4 key areas that we'd like you to focus on. This is where your customers need the most help right now. Solutions around remote work, business continuity, security, and cloud migrations. And while there's a lot of uncertainty in the market, technology investments are top of mind for our customers right now. Making the most of this moment with customer obsession will yield more amazing outcomes for all of us. There's no doubt this is going to be a tough year. There are a lot of unknowns, but what is certain is our partnership and our dependence on each other. I'm excited to see how you continue to respond and help our customers recover and reimagine their future. Thank you for your partnership. Thank you to all of our partners throughout Western Europe. And remember, every day you are making a difference.
Thank you, Gavriella, and welcome to all Microsoft partners joining us today. My name is Bertrand Launay. I'm General Manager for the One Commercial Partner Organization at Microsoft in Western Europe. To reflect on the opportunity ahead and celebrate partners that are driving outstanding success and innovation, I asked Vahé Torossian, Corporate Vice President for Microsoft in Western Europe, to join us today. Vahé, welcome. What's on your mind?
Thank you, Bertrand. It's always a pleasure to engage with our partner ecosystem. The last 12 months have been challenging, to say the least, to all of us. And the world has changed. We are heading now to what we call an economic downturn. And if there's one word that we learn in FY20 is the word uncertainty. Technology matters more than ever, and certainly partners matters more than ever. So much of the world workforce has been working from home, and the customers are looking for digital capabilities to drive more business continuity. This is, to me, clearly the next partnership opportunity and potential. You play a critical role in this area. And when you think about the remote applications, operations, the collaboration in the post-COVID reality, it's just an amazing opportunity for us, I think, to start with.
No, you're absolutely right, Vahé. And in fact, I'm kind of humbled that so many partners have stepped up to bring Microsoft's remote work solution to customers during this crisis. And I'd love to share a few with the audience. When it comes to remote work, I can think of 4 examples. Rapid Circle in Netherlands has helped to deploy Power Apps and Microsoft Teams to hospital and university. Dexmar in Belgium has deployed remote workplace using Windows Virtual Desktop in just 4 days. Everis in Spain has created a portal to help students and teachers leverage and learn remote learning. An AB solution in Sweden has built expertise with Dynamics 365 Business Central and is delivering customer offering 100% remotely. On business continuity, I can think of 4 more. CAPS in Austria has built solutions on Azure, SharePoint, and Office 365 to track the production of protective face masks. In Ireland, Ergo has led the way with a world-class adoption and change management practice to Microsoft Teams, while another partner, the Threadscape, has developed strong methodology for deploying both cloud and endpoint security as a repeatable solution. In Denmark, Venzo has developed strong skill set with security, machine learning, and Power Platform to support customer digital transformation.
That's so great, Bertrand. I have to say that I feel so humbled, when I'm hearing, all these examples. And looking beyond COVID, to be fair, the next big opportunity I see for Microsoft partners is very much about, the cloud migration. This is an important investment area for us. I mean, many of you know the investment that we have done in Europe to start with 17 now data center regions live and some, to come in the next few months. This is an amazing opportunity for partners to help our customers to migrate, modernize the application to Microsoft Cloud and to optimize somehow, in fact, this notion of save cost and also, in fact, the cost restructuring, which is so critical for most of them. So Bertrand, maybe one thing, any learning, in this space, from this partner ecosystem, in the past 12 months?
Well, today, Vahé, as you know, most applications and systems still run on-premise. Many partners are using this opportunity to migrate existing apps to Microsoft Cloud to run more cost efficiently and with greater reliability. INTERCEPT in the Netherlands is a partner that has achieved the Azure Expert MSP status and is helping ISV to migrate to Azure. But we are seeing a lot of momentum also in the Nordics. 3 examples. Nordcloud in Finland is a leading partner in cloud implementation, application development, and managed services. Tietoevry in Norway has contributed to the transformation and migration of many important applications to Azure. Origo in Iceland has been driving digital transformation through their development on Azure and M365. Of course, we could not talk about cloud infrastructure without referring to SAP on Azure. Cognizant in Switzerland has been helping Swiss customers design, build, and migrate SAP application on Azure and reduce operating costs by 30%.
That's super impressive, Bertrand, again, and thank you to all these partners. I mean, this is a very, very important part for us to focus on. Beyond the cloud infrastructure, obviously, there's another one piece that is critical, which is around, let's say, the application modernization. And obviously, this is where data and AI and translating AI and data into insight is absolutely going to be strategic and has started already. This for many customers across all industries. So in this space as well, many things have been happening in the last 12 months. So Bertrand, who do you see leading in this area among our partners?
No, it's a highly relevant topic during economic situation we are now. Why? A robust analytic system is essential to making accurate real-time decisions and running businesses more efficiently. Swisscom in Switzerland has been using its knowledge of Azure and IoT to help customers like SGS to transform its monitoring of grain silo 24/7 using data. In the field of application modernization, Wipro, still in Switzerland, has built a scalable solution to move on-prem database to open source database on Azure. Sigma in Sweden is bringing new insight to customers with their specific focus on AI and IoT on the Microsoft Cloud Platform. Proactive in Denmark has incorporated Microsoft Project Business with Power Platform and AI to accelerate efficiency with project management. Cluster Reply in Italy has delivered complete digital transformation project across the 3 Microsoft Cloud with manufacturing, finance, retail, healthcare customers. HSO in Netherlands has driven impressive cloud growth with Dynamics 365 F&O to connect relationship, workflow, and insight across every line of business.
This is great, Bertrand. And one thing I want to add, because in this more digital world and era that we're getting in, one thing that is going to be critically important is the skilling. As Gavriella mentioned earlier on, 17,000 partners employees were certified in the last 12 months. And I know this is just the beginning. So, I want you to know that we are expanding our, let's say, skilling opportunity and portfolio for you and your employees in order to be able to consume them the way you want. There are many options, and we're expanding these options. Think about the option such as self-serve digital skilling, through Microsoft Learning. You have the opportunity to go to digital learning events, of course, in the partner training calendar, the official training courses offered by our learning partners, and of course, not but not least, of course, the certification. So, I see one common denominator, Bertrand, in all the partners that you just mentioned and that are recognized today. They all spend a lot of time transforming and skilling their workforce, which I think is the leading indicator for the future success.
You're absolutely right, Vahé, and I want to share 2 kinds of examples. First, partners that have skilled their workforce, and second, partners that provide training to other partners. In the first category, I have one example in mind. Unipartner in Portugal drove his own internal transformation and certified 40% of its technical resources to become a trusted advisor on Microsoft technology. In the second category, I have 3 examples. The leading learning partner association, LLPA, in the Netherlands has trained thousands of partners and students this year on Azure using virtual classroom. Dugo Öby in Sweden works with primary, secondary, and higher education. They're using Azure machine learning to start student assessment at scale. Devoteam in Luxembourg is a partner providing digital consulting and a training center rewarded as the most innovative ICT training program.
Thank you, Bertrand. I really want to congratulate and thank, all the Microsoft partners, and especially I want to recognize also the Partner of the Year Awards winners. We are in a tough time, as I mentioned earlier on, but I think that across all the businesses, across the portfolio, that the business continuity opportunity, the data migration, the modern application, transition, the business application, across all the board, we have a unique opportunity to support our customers and the economic reset, one country, one industry, one customer at a time. Again, don't underestimate the role of skilling. This is a leading indicator, of the future success. Customers need more competency and drive and impact. So thank you very much for everything you do every single day with us.
Thank you, Vahé, and thank you to all partners that have achieved Partner of the Year status and have put their trust in Microsoft. Now, I want to shift gears and ask some of my team members to share what this opportunity means for services partner and ISV partner. We will talk further about technical intensity and the marketplace. I want to invite Martin Walker, Bernard Saisse, Sarah Armstrong, André Ekas, and Ed Moore to join me for this discussion.
Thank you, Bertrand. Hello, everyone. My name is Martin Walker. I sit within the One Commercial Partner organisation in Western Europe. In this session, I'll be joined by a number of Bertrand's senior leadership team, and I've asked them to reflect on the key messages they have heard during Inspire and put themselves in the shoes of a partner, summarising key focus areas and priorities for partners. So to kick off, hello and a big warm welcome to Bernard Saisse. Bernard leads our services partner team. So over to you, Bernard.
Thank you, Martin. The services partner team takes care of all the partners ranging from consultancies, SI managed services to telco, channel and scale partners. We are serving all customers from SOHO to the largest enterprises across the full Microsoft portfolio. This ecosystem represents several hundreds of thousands of professionals across Europe. Today, I'd like to give you a summarized perspective on what we see as industry trends and our priorities going forward. Let me start with the data platform, because I think data is at the heart of the cloud revolution, and this is where we can deliver the maximum value for our customers. This market is a $9 billion opportunity and continues to expand at over 30% year over year. With the COVID-19 disruption, we see many companies looking at analytics and AI as a way to better manage their businesses in a volatile environment. For example, in retail and health, Azure machine learning usage has increased by 400% in the last period only. So our priorities are simple: migrate, consolidate, and modernize customer data estates, then bring in the analytics and AI capabilities. This is super critical as this ecosystem, Azure Synapse Analytics and Azure HD Insights, for example, are likely to last for the next 5 to 10 years. On infra and apps innovation, with the current economic downturn, we expect to see the rapid cloud adoption to continue with a clear focus on cost reduction and optimization. So migration and optimization at scale remains a priority across Windows Server, OSS systems, and other mission-critical applications such as SAP, with most of the time a hybrid cloud approach. Virtualized desktop infrastructure on Azure is another key priority for us. It represents an immediate opportunity of several $1 billion for our partners in Europe and an urgent need for remote work capabilities for our customers. You'll see us put a lot of focus there. Finally, application innovation should be top of mind for every services partner, with a clear focus on modernizing .NET apps to Azure App Services and Azure SQL DB, as well as leveraging the other advanced capabilities like container and serverless technologies on Azure. On modern workplace, I want to focus on 3 important messages here. 1, simplify and integrate security with Microsoft 365 and Azure security solutions. Security, privacy, and compliance is in every cloud transformation discussion. And in average, an enterprise customer has over 35 different security vendors. That market is growing about 10% year over year. It's an attractive market with a clear need for simplification and better integration. 2, think Teams as a platform. 6 out of 10 customers want to access SaaS solution from Teams, with plans to increase the number of apps into Teams over the next year. This is a great opportunity here to bring Microsoft Power Platform to build and integrate customer LOB apps into Teams. And finally, in a remote work environment, meeting and calling capabilities are becoming critical to allow people inside and outside of their organization to communicate. This is clearly an area to watch. On Dynamics 365, I want to zoom on Power Platform and customer insights. This market is growing about 50% year over year and presents a huge opportunity for us jointly. Just to give you an example, our project pipeline has grown over 1,000% just over the last month. Power Platform and customer insights can be connected to other ERP and CRM systems and databases. So this is really something to think about across the board with the data in mind, and not only as a Dynamics play, pure play, if you will. With that, let me thank you all for joining us today and wishing you a great day to Inspire. Thank you.
Hey, Bernard, good job. Really simplified the message there. Thanks for taking us through the industry trends as well as the Microsoft priorities. I found that very, very helpful, and I hope our partners do too. There's no doubt that there's some great opportunities for our partners across the Microsoft platform in FY21. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So next, hello and a warm welcome to Sarah Armstrong, who leads our ISV business across Western Europe. So Sarah, perhaps start with a few words on our ISV mission and how does your team support our ISV partners?
Yeah, thanks, Martin. Well, first and foremost, we're here to help our ISVs, to help them build and sell solutions with replicable IP to deliver intelligent cloud and intelligent solutions to market, which empower our customers to achieve more. We work with ISVs across the different phases of their journey, supporting them from taking the first steps to full maturity as a Microsoft partner. Firstly, for those ISVs who are not yet engaged with us, we offer them an entry point into Microsoft through programs or through direct engagement to partner with us to build new solutions for the market. We have dedicated teams and programs to help ISVs take that first step with us. They should look out for the Inspire session on how to become a successful ISV recruit partner. And in Western Europe, we're particularly looking to engage ISVs that bring industry relevance to our customers and with whom we can align on priority sales plays to drive transformation in our customer base. We also want to help those ISVs that have already built with us to accelerate their business success and leverage workloads across the 3 Microsoft Cloud offerings. And this help comes not only as technical inputs or guidance, but also support for our ISVs in how they can best go to market so we can help partners to scale and grow. Well, when I talk to ISVs about building on our platform, they default to thinking about Azure. And yes, I'm delighted to bring the value of Azure to our ISVs, but I'm also excited about the potential of Teams and business applications as part of Microsoft's broader platform story. Let me start with Teams. Productivity must now be achieved remotely. More than 70% of business productivity workers are working from home, and 80% of their time is spent collaborating with others. They need rich collaboration tools, but also to be connected to core line of business applications. ISVs should see Teams like the operating system on which they can build, the operating system for the new generation of teamwork, and it's designed with enterprise-grade security and compliance in mind. Teams is a platform designed for ISVs that want to develop the next generation line of business apps that take advantage of underlying collaboration tools. It makes your ISV solutions more core to customers, more engaging. And it's also an opportunity for our ISVs to build on tools used by more than 180 million active monthly users. ISVs building on Teams leverage the infrastructure and data of Microsoft 365 to improve app experiences in a secure and compliant way. I'd really encourage our ISVs to look back at the Grow Your Business with Teams sessions. And then another opportunity I'm really excited about for our ISVs is our Business Applications Connect program. We see ISVs taking Dynamics into our customer base as really accelerating transformation, especially of industry customers. And the ISV Connect program offers coordinated sales efforts for partner sellers with our sellers. The program offers endorsement for ISVs by Microsoft certifying their applications and then making them available to our own customer base through AppSource, badged as preferred solutions. It also offers ISVs faster time to value through the Dynamics platform, building apps 3 times faster. It makes ISV line of business apps stand out from the crowd by bringing artificial intelligence and mixed reality capabilities of our platform to ISV solutions. And of course, it enables our Connect ISVs to grow their business through access to Microsoft channels and co-sell opportunities. There's a great session to look back on, Business Applications, the next big ISV opportunity. Finally, we open channels for our ISVs to co-sell with Microsoft, sometimes through direct intentional plans for joint co-selling engagement, sometimes reactive support for our ISVs who just need our help to open doors, and sometimes through scalable engines. And with the latter in mind, a key focus for our ISVs in the coming 12 months will be to build transactable offerings for Marketplace so that we can help partners achieve scale and reach of sales. This is a major focus for my team in the coming 12 months and will be a key route to market with us and with our channel partners moving forward. So ISVs should really look back at the Inspire sessions on the commercial marketplace opportunity.
Hey, thanks, Sarah. That was super clear. Good job. So what I heard was 4 things. You help ISVs on the initial stages of engagement and recruitment. You provide a wide range of platform and tools. And you also open up new channels to co-sell with Microsoft. Thanks again, Sarah.
Thank you.
And so next, a big warm welcome to our CTO, André Ekas. André leads our technical team across Western Europe, and he wants to share his thoughts on people and in particular skills development. So over to you, André.
Yeah, thank you, Martin. And as you said, I want to talk today about skills. Vahé and Bertrand talked about the importance of skilling. Core part of my and my team's role is help you with this. We see partners that have successfully digitally transformed into the cloud have created a real learning culture. Building a learning culture includes different aspects like hiring and rewarding employees that are curious and explore new skills. Innovation these days is going fast and rapidly. We all need people that are eager to learn new technology. As Microsoft, we are investing heavily in specialized skills and certification for individuals, but also promote our advanced specialization certifications at company level. How can we help you to increase your skills? We have 4 pillars. The first pillar is all about self-serve skilling. You find it out at our Microsoft Learn platform. It has free self-paced courses and helps you to educate what we think a certain role should know. You can go in there as a system administrator and find your own dedicated learning path to help you improve your skills. Next to this, we have our digital learning events, which you can find at microsoft.com/partner-training, where you can choose on a different workshop, conferences, other events that we organize in Western Europe to increase your skills. Then, of course, we have our digital classroom, which are hosted Microsoft curriculum Microsoft curriculum official courses that are hosted by our local learning partners. And last but not least, I want to spend some time on certification. Research has proven that certified employees are more productive, more efficient in their roles, and bring more creative solutions to complex technical problems. You don't know what you don't know. Certification helps you to make sure you have seen all different aspects on what our platform offers and helps you to make a conscious choice to use a certain functionality or not because you don't know it is existing. So hopefully I see you coming back to us in one of our learning platforms. See you then.
Super. Thanks, André. That was very helpful. I guess what I picked up on there was 2 key themes. Critical to success is continuous learning and embedding a learning culture within your business. And then the 4 pillars where Microsoft is investing here: self-paced digital, Microsoft Learn, digital learning events, digital classrooms, and certification. Good job. Thanks, André. Okay, and on to our last guest for today. Hello and welcome to Ed Moore, who's our enterprise channel lead. So Ed, a typical conversation with a partner starts with running through business opportunities. What services should I be building? What skills do I need to develop? And then the last focus area is really how can Microsoft help me grow my business? So what can you share with partners, Ed, on this?
Hello, and look, welcome to Inspire, firstly. Look, partners have and will always continue to be at the core of how we address our customers' digital transformation needs. And with the Microsoft sellers, resellers, and the marketplace, partners have 3 Microsoft channels that can help you grow your business. The Microsoft sales force will work with selected partners to generate leads for both enterprise and corporate customers. Partners via our P2P initiatives can work with each other to create integrated solutions through both IP and managed services that holistically address our customers' end-to-end needs. And the marketplace provides a marketing sales engine that gives customers global visibility to partners' products and services. Regarding the marketplace, we really encourage IP and services partners to consider investing in the marketplace sales channel if they're seeking one of 3 things: a distributed sales engine that saves time and money. The marketplace puts ISVs solutions on the Azure customer price list instantaneously, reduces administration and collection issues, and allows all IP partners to leverage the Microsoft commercial agreement. The second part is instantaneous scale to customers in over 140 markets. customers worldwide can quickly find solutions via the marketplace or in our products, such as in Teams, at InSearch, deploy solutions instantaneously, and consolidate the Microsoft billing and procurement to include marketplace transactional ISV solutions. The third piece is leveraging sales channels such as the Microsoft Seller and the CSP Solution Provider channel. Microsoft sellers, with transactable IP solutions, can actually pull down those services and include them in the Microsoft commercial agreement, while at the same time, our CSP Solution Provider channel can provide a distribution network into selected or multiple markets for our channel partners. I'd really encourage our partners through the Inspire experience to consider how any or all three of these channels can support and accelerate your growth ambitions.
Hey, thanks, Ed. I'm sure our partners will find that extremely helpful. I'd like to take this opportunity to say thank you to all our Microsoft partners and wish you a very successful FY21.
It was great to hear from Martin, Bernard, Sarah, André, and Ed about the immediate opportunities for Microsoft partners. Remember that together with my team and the One Commercial Partner organization in your country, we are here to support you. I want to close with a thank you to all our partners joining today. And enjoy the rest of the programming from Inspire this week. Once again, congratulations to all the Microsoft partners recognized with Partner of the Year awards.